How to see private account followers on Instagram. So let us search for the private accounts in order to check whether we can see the followers on Instagram a private account or not. Let me hit on the profile at the bottom right corner and let me choose any account here. As you can see that this account is private. So when I tap on the followers of this account, I am not being able to open it and see it. So this is because due to the private settings or the privacy settings, we are not able to see the private account followers on Instagram. In order to see the private account followers, we just have to follow them. Just tap on follow button and request them. Once our request has been accepted, then only we'll be able to see the private accounts followers on Instagram. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.